Losing all of your stuff in the sand, best way ruin beach day. So, usual Ziploc can help you. But there is a catch. For real protection, beauty your treasure. Okay, if your memory, let's say, not exactly top zipper, and you have a mini heart attack when you're thinking about losing your things, I have really solid hack for you. Hide your stuff in an Elmsa sunscreen bottle. Now, Zave's gonna go digging through the SPF 30. He's not an idiot. But don't mix it up with the real one. Money don't merge ties very well. If you don't want to make mini Copacabana in your sneakers, you can just prepare a small bus for your feet. Now guys, answer me on rhetorical question. Why? Why should I spend $50 for beach table if I can just buy this stuff from